here we have this information, and we're trying to prove line segment BD is congruent to line segment DC. Well, let's start by what we have here. So we have this. That was given to us. So let's just make sure we write given. All right? We have that. The reason why we have that line is because the next one is the definition of bisector. So let's see, angle bisector. So this is angle 1. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, right? Which was that. Okay. And what was also given was this segment. That was given. So let's mark that. We have an angle here. And then we have AB and AC, so that's a side. Oh, then we can get this by the reflexive. So what is that? AD is congruent to AD. Right? Then that is congruent by the property of side angle side. And the parts are congruent by CP CTC.